Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a software instrument track and selecting a bass patch. This gets you into sound shaping immediately. Set tempo and key so MIDI or recorded takes lock musically. If you use an external interface, route input and enable monitoring. Otherwise, use MIDI keyboard or piano roll. Once done, adjust track input level so peaks sit around -6 dB to avoid clipping. Make sure to name the track clearly. This saves time when layering later. You record either MIDI performance or a direct audio take. Focus on timing and groove first. Once done, open the piano roll to tweak note lengths and velocities and apply subtle quantize if needed. You want feel, not robotic timing. Then shape tone. Insert an amp simulator, a subtractive EQ to remove mud, and a compressor to glue the notes. Make sure to automate dynamics and filter cutoff across sections so the bass supports the arrangement without overpowering it. You finalize by balancing level and frequency with the mix. Keep the bass largely centered and carve space with high pass at about 40 Hz and gentle cuts near competing mid-range. Once done, consider sidechain compression to the kick so both breathe together. Check in mono to ensure phase coherence. If problems appear, flip phase or adjust plugin order. Then bounce the track or export stems at project bit depth. If distortion or latency occurs, increase buffer or freeze track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.